Somebody walked up to me in the parking lot and said, "Padidle." If you don't know what that means one of my headlights is out. We'll go through the process on how to change these light bulbs. We want to make sure this is the problem. We don't want to just start changing parts. So when we turn on the headlights, one works and the other doesn't. Now to help rule things out, let's go ahead and put the brights on. Well, the brights work on both headlights. Now it's time to take a closer look at this light bulb to make sure it's the problem. You don't want to change parts if the part's not the problem. So we'll just pull off this plug, and then we'll give this rubber boot a little pull. Nice job, Honda. That's nice. This rubber boot really protects the light from water. Just give this wire a push and lift up. Then the halogen bulb will just come right out of there. You want to try not to touch the glass. When these bulbs are lit, they get hot, and the oil from your hands can actually crack the glass. There's two filaments in here, one for high beam and one for low. Neither of the filaments are broken. Let's test this light before replacing it. I'll use some gator clips, and I'll check the light right with the battery. Now I know one filament works, let's check the other. Now I'll move the gator clip and try it again. Nope, no light on the other one. That's interesting, there's no black on the glass. The coil looks good. So when I test the other side, the bottom one works, but the top one doesn't. Look closely through this magnifying glass. Did you see the top coil? It was like black. It's hard to see this black without the magnifying glass. I tested both with the battery. Okay, $5, I got my new light. That coil does look shinier. Now when you put these bulbs back, the tabs have to line up. Then we have to swing that wire back around, then hook it. Now we'll go ahead and put that rubber boot on. I gotta say, I'm impressed with the rubber boot. Now let's check that light out again. Okay, both lights are on. Let's double check our brights. Okay, both of them work. Now that I know everything works, I'm gonna go ahead and put some dielectric grease on these connections. Dielectric grease is silicone grease. It says right on the tube, it's good for batteries and connections. This just helps with corrosion. Okay, these lights are ready to go. No more padidle. Well, I really do appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.